Okay, now I have come up with a very big question actually. Okay, very big question like 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 7 plus 9. Okay, very large number. Okay, so now by using the rule completion or non-completion, we can simplify the big addition very simply. Okay, now you got the get to know about it how I am going to simplify the problem. Okay, before I am going to do, you may find it out the answer also. Okay, so let's see. We'll see a chance of two things. One is whether CF there is any 5 pairs, that is getting the answer as a 10. Then we'll see the closest number, or we can see the same number like a 2 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 4 plus 4, 5 plus 5, 6 plus 6, 7 plus 7, 8 plus 8, 9 plus 9, 10 plus 10. Okay, or we can check it, but we can find the 5 pairs because every number is a single digit. It doesn't have any double digit. So we can simplify it. Okay, how we are going to simplify it? 7 and 3. Okay. 8 and 2. 9 and 1. See here is a 5, isn't it? So 5, there is no other 5 here. So by adding a 2 plus 3, we get a 5. Isn't it? Then 7 plus 3. Okay. Next, we are going to, there is a 9 alone. So let's see how many 10s are there. 7 plus 3, 10. 8 plus 2, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. 5 plus 5, 10. I've added everything. Then here 3 plus 7, 10. Then alone 9 is alone here. So how many 10s? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Then answer will be a 59. Okay. So very easy. Okay, for a very slow learner. Once more I am telling, please listen it carefully. So maths is not very difficult. Just think it very logically. Then it will be going to help you a lot. Okay, so now we are going to find out the 5 pairs because every number here is a 1 digit. Okay, let's find it out. 7 plus 3, 10. 8 plus 2, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. So here is a 5. 5 plus 2 plus 3. What is the 2 plus 3? Then 5. 10. Then here is the number 3 plus 7, 10. Only the 9 is in alone. We cannot pair with any other number. Okay, now we are going to find it out how many 10s we get it. 7 plus 3, 10. Plus 8 and 2, 10. 9 and 1, 10. 9 and 2 we have got it. 3 also got it. 5 plus 5, 10. 3 plus 7, 10. Then we just added every number. Only the 9 alone here. I bring it out down here. So just think it 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 50 plus 9. What is the answer? 59. So now we have made it our big addition very simply. Okay, so if you doesn't know about the completion or non-completion method, then it will be a very tough to make your addition. Then you will add it 6. Then you have to leave the finger 8, 9, 10. Now we have made the addition within 1 minute. Okay, we just probably made the addition within a 30 seconds. Okay, so this is how the completion and non-completion method will help us to simplify our addition. Okay, as I said before, we have find it out the 5 pairs of set of numbers. We are getting a sum of 10. For example, 9 plus 1, 8 plus 2, 7 and 3, 6 and 4, 5 and 5. We get it 10. Now I have bring it up the 8 group of 3 numbers summing 10. That is, we have seen two pairs of number. That is a 2 number. We are getting the answer as a 10. This is a 3 numbers. We are getting the answer as a 10. Listen, see. 1 plus 2 plus 7. Then the answer will be the 10. 2 plus 3 plus 5. Then the answer will be the 10. 3 plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 10. Okay. Then 4 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 10. 5 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 10. 6 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 10. 7 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 10. 8 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 10. So how I have come up with the 3 numberments is not anything a magic. Already we have a 2 digit, isn't it? For example, just think it 9 here. Okay, 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Now how I am going to make it as a 3 number? 8 plus 1 plus 1. That is what here. 8 plus 1 plus 1. See here 8 plus 2. If you want to say, make it as a 3, then you become a 8 plus 1 plus 1. Or for example 7 and 3, how you are going to do it? 7, if you kept a 7, you can make it 1 plus 2. Okay, or if you keep this 3 here, then you can make 4 plus 3. So what is a 3 number means? We just dividing the 2 pairs. We just dividing the each number here, then it become a 3 pairs of a number having a sum of 10. Okay, how you just memorize about the 5 pairs? On the same note, you want to memorize about these 3 digit number having a sum of 10. Okay, now I am just included the this number also here. So then only you can know how we are simplifying the big mathematics using the completion and non-completion method. How these, knowing of these, how these things which help us to simplify our mathematics. Okay, then only you can know it. So I am writing here small. So it is nothing but I am just dividing the big number here. Okay, so this is not anything new for you. Already we having a 2 pair. I am just dividing the big number into 2. See here 6 is there. By taking the big number, I am just dividing into 2. 3 plus 3 is 6. So that is what I am writing here. I am not anything writing very newly, or I am not following any new method here. Already have derived the method. We have find it out the 2 pairs. Now I have divided the 2 pairs into 3. That's same. That is okay. Now I have rubbed it here. So then only it will be easy to simplify the number using this kind of a method. Okay, let's take the question. See here. Question is 29 plus 18 plus 3. Okay, this is the question. So 29 plus 18 plus 3 is the question number 1. So what is the basic rule of completion or non-completion? We want to know about the pair of number, that is getting a 10, and getting the answer as a 10 is a main game. Okay, you see here. So if you pair up any number, we cannot get 10 here, isn't it? Just think it about it. 29, no, 18, 3. So we cannot pair up the number, but we can do it. How can do it means? We can do it. Just keep it as a 29 here. If you divided this number into 2 plus 1, then there is a chance of getting a 10. Isn't it? If you divided this number, then you get the chance of getting the 10 as an answer. Now you can get it the 10 answer as a. 8 plus 2, 10, 1 carry, then 2 will be the answer. 20 plus 1 is not a huge thing. We can make it a very easily. Now the answer is at 21. Okay, now what is the number here? 29. Yes, of course, we are having a chance of getting the answer as at 10, isn't it? 9 plus 1, 0, then 1 will be the carry. 2 plus 2, or we already know 2 plus 2, 3 plus 3, we already know the answer for it, isn't it? So 2 plus 2 is 4. What is the remaining one here? 5. So then answer will be the 15. Now we made the addition very easily, very quickly. So 29 plus 18 plus 3. So the answer is 50. Okay, I'm come up with the one more time. Just listen it carefully. What is a basic and a very important aim in the completion or non-completion rule means, if you are using those rules, we just aim for 10. This is also can tell the aim for 10 method. Okay, so we want to aim for 10. So here is a no chance of having a 10 here, because 29, 18, we cannot add a 9 to 3 means not 10, 8 to 3 means not 10. So we cannot get it. But if you separate the number 3, if you separate the number 3, okay, so how you are going to separate? 2 plus 1. You cannot separate like a 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, so if you make it a very large, then the sums also will become a very large. You can make it very simply. We want to separate it very simply. 2 plus 1. Okay, why I have divided 2 plus 1 means because your 8 is there. Okay, isn't it? If you added 8 to 10, 2, then we'll, of course, we can get the 10 as the answer. So that is the reason I am separating here. Okay, let's see here. So now I have separated 29 plus 18 plus, instead of 3 I have separated 2 plus 1. You need not to write each and every step when you are making this problem. For the better understandment, I have taken as a step by step. You can quickly you can make the answer. You cannot do this step by step. Okay, so listen here. So 8 plus 2 is 10 and the 1 will be the carry, then 20. So now the 20 plus 1 is a very easy 21. So how many numbers are remaining? 29, isn't it? So 29, then it will be easy. We can aim for 10 method is easy. 10. 1 will be the carry. So 2 plus 2, already have come up with a set of number 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. So 2, 2, what is a 2, 2? 4. So 4 plus 1 will be the carry, then it is a 50. Okay.